Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button below and click the bell icon next to it if you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video. Today I'm talking about a business opportunity that I'm involved with. It's called Easy1Up. And Easy1Up provides business training, online business training that you can use in any business that you're in. Okay, you don't necessarily have to be promoting Easy1Up to use this training. This training is developed and designed to help you promote any business that you may be in. Okay, so I just want to go over the products real quickly, how much they cost, and how you can also earn commissions by promoting Easy1Up if you choose to do so. You don't have to. Now, there are many people who get involved with Easy1Up and buy one of the product package levels, and they just use the information in the product level to grow their own business. Okay, they're not promoting Easy1Up. They're promoting some other business, but they use the training inside of Easy1Up to grow their business and make more money. And you can do the same too. Now, the first product level is the very basic product level. It's called Elevation. It costs $25 one-time payment. And there is also a $5 administration fee that gets paid to the company Easy1Up. Okay, and that's also a one-time fee. Now, here you get basic information on network marketing and affiliate marketing. Okay, so you have there was some new content that was added last year, and late last year around October, modern affiliate marketing. They also have network marketing basic videos here that teaches you all about network marketing, how it works, how to be successful in a network marketing company, the pros and cons of network marketing, that sort of thing. Okay. Next, we have the Affiliate Kickstarter video series. This shows you how to get started as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so these videos are pretty short, so you can get through them in probably a half hour. Okay, the next level is Elevation Elite, and just to let you know, these levels, the higher you go up in the level, the more advanced marketing training you get. Okay, so Elevation Elite is $100 one-time payment, and there's also a $10 administration fee that gets paid to the company, and that's also a one-time payment. Elevation Elite, you learn about doing video ads, modern video marketing, some mindset videos, mind, money, and meanings. This is over a 3-hour training right here. Okay, and free marketing and cash generation videos here. Udemy, I think it's pronounced Udemy. Okay, form signature marketing, product creation, create your own products, how to do solo ads, live events, embedded Google Hangouts, YouTube and organic search, YouTube clickable links, basically an introduction to how to do video marketing on YouTube. This is very good information if you want to create your own YouTube channel and start promoting your business using YouTube videos. Okay, there's Pinterest marketing information, Facebook marketing information, copywriting conversion. Copywriting is very important to learn. It'll help you to write better emails to your email list and things like that, and also how to write better sales letters if you want to create like your own products one day. Introduction to social media, lead generation using your autoresponder, market research, home base, your website or blog, how to create a website or blog to be your home base for your business. Okay, and the next level, Vertex. Vertex is $250 one-time payment, and then there is a $25 administration fee paid to the company, also a one-time payment. Here is some very good training on how to do YouTube Live and create an income stream using YouTube Live, how to do LinkedIn ads, Skype marketing, advanced digital business information here, some more mindset stuff, and how to get started in your home-based business, different business systems, how to create an irresistible offer, how to build a lucrative email list, traffic secrets revealed, email relationship mastery, profitable relationships, joint venture partners, how to launch a product. You have an affiliate marketing survival parts 1, 2, and 3. This is very good training on affiliate marketing. Okay. Next, like I said, you get more and more advanced training the higher you go up in the product levels. The next level is Vertex Elite. This is a $500 one-time payment, $50 administration fee paid to the company, one-time payment. Here you learn about Facebook marketing, Modern Millionaires. That's a 30-minute video. The Facebook marketing video is about an hour and 41 minutes. Goal setting, 43-minute video. Driving force within, some more developing that success mindset, which is what you need in order to be successful in your business. Money Counts Live Business Building Course Part 1 and 2. So you're getting like almost a 3-hour training here, a 3-hour course on business building. Very good information. If you're interested in drop shipping, there's a video here talking about drop shipping and how to get started. Here, an over 5-hour video on 50 non-stop traffic methods that you can use to promote your business. And then you have an almost an hour-long video on zero cost traffic, and this is more free traffic strategies. Okay. The next level is called Vertex Pro. Vertex Pro is $1,000 one-time payment, and then there's a $100 administration fee paid to the company, one-time payment also. There are some new videos added: Overcoming Excuses, 30-day contact marketing plan, The Road Untaken, Freedom Creation. You have WhatsApp marketing training in here. It's over an hour long. How to create video sales funnels, US free ads traffic, traffic exchanges, streaming profits authority, membership authority, how to create your own membership site, social media domination, Snapchat marketing, social media authority, Reddit marketing, recurring business models. Those are like monthly memberships. LinkedIn basics, Instagram marketing, IM business models, general traffic techniques. That's almost an hour long. Facebook remarketing. That's over an hour long. Facebook Live authority, how to do Facebook Lives and use that to promote your business. Over an hour long training. Facebook ads made easy. Again, over an hour long training. Email marketing biz, coaching authority, blog authority, how to be heard on social media. Lots and lots of training, hours of training in this level. Okay, very much worth the price of $1,000. Seriously, this is the level that I came in under at Vertex Pro. Okay, now if you sign up and you buy the product package, I think it's let's see, Vertex Elite. Okay, if you come in at Vertex Elite or higher, you will get free access to a course called Endless Free Leads by Max Steingart, and this is very good training. Hours of training by Max Steingart, who will teach you how to do Facebook marketing using your Facebook profile. So this doesn't have to do with Facebook ads. You're doing Facebook marketing using your own profile on Facebook to generate free leads. endless free leads. And he shows you exactly how to do this in this training. You get this course for free when you buy the $500 or higher product levels, okay? One of those levels. Now, you can go ahead and purchase one of these product levels and use these products to promote your own business, to grow your own business in order to make more sales. And there's lots of people who do that. They're not interested in promoting Easy1Up. They're only interested in using the information in the back office to promote their own business opportunity and make money with their own business, okay? But there's also an opportunity for you to make 100% instant commissions paid directly to you if you participate in the promotion of Easy1Up, okay? And no matter what product level you come in under, you will get the rights, the resale rights to the products that you purchase and the product levels below it. So let's say that you come in at the Vertex Elite level, which is $500. You get, not only do you get access to this product level, you also get access to the product levels below it, which is Vertex, Elevation Elite, and Elevation. Okay, let me go back here. Elevation. All right, so you get access to the product levels below the product level that you bought, and you don't have to pay for these other product levels, okay? Not only that, but you also become qualified to receive commissions, 100% instant commissions, at the product level that you bought, and also the lower product levels, okay? The product levels below the one that you bought. Another example, you come in at Vertex Elite $500. You get access to all the product levels below it for free, but you also become eligible to receive 100% instant commissions from the Vertex Elite level and below. Okay, so that's how that works. So if you promote this Easy1Up and someone signs up under you and they purchase Vertex Elite, you get that $500 commission. Okay, if they come in at, if you're at the Vertex Elite, but the person who signed up under you comes in at Vertex Pro, which is $1,000, you don't get that commission. That commission goes to your sponsor. So what I tell people is to come in at the highest level possible, and that's only if they are interested in promoting Easy1Up as a business opportunity. Come in at the highest level possible so you don't miss out on the larger commissions. There's a lot of people who will come in at the very basic level, Elevation, which is only $25 plus the $5 admin fee. But if they start promoting Easy1Up, some of those people that they sign up are going to come in at the higher levels, which means that they're going to be missing out on commissions. They're only eligible to receive the $25 commissions because that's the level that they're at. You know, so anyone who comes in at Elevation Elite or higher, they're not going to get those commissions. Those commissions are going to go to their sponsor. So that's why I tell people, come in at the highest level you can without going into debt, without breaking the bank or anything like that. Come in at the highest level you can so you don't miss out on those larger commissions of $250, $500, $1,000, okay? So again, you come in at Vertex Elite or higher, you get access to endless free leads for free, okay? Very valuable course that shows you how to generate free leads every day using your own Facebook profile, okay? So that's basically all I wanted to go over. You can sign up directly with Easy1Up. I'll leave a link in the description area below this video. It'll be the first link. Or if you would like to have a sales funnel system that will help you to promote Easy1Up and also generate multiple streams of income along with it, Then I'll leave another link. It will be the second link below this video in the description area to the sales funnel system that I use to promote not only Easy1Up, but several other income streams that are inside the sales funnel. It's Funnel X ROI. The first income stream is Easy1Up, and there's 4 other income streams inside the system. All I do is promote the link to my sales funnel, Funnel X ROI, and the sales funnel does the selling for me. I don't have to sell anybody. I just promote that link. The sales funnel does all the work, okay? So go ahead and check out those 2 links below. And again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.